Congratulations on being selected as an observer for the National Achievement Survey 2021. Let us understand who is a NAS observer and what are his or her roles and responsibilities. An observer is a vice principal, PGT, TGT or PRT teacher from a local school in the district as nominated by the district level coordinator. Each school that is selected for NAS survey is assigned one external observer by the district level coordinator as per CBSE orders. The NAS survey is conducted under the supervision of an observer who ensures that data collection is reliable and free from any suspicious activity. You are required to carry out a set of responsibilities as an observer. First, on the survey day, you will report at the DLC or the Resource Center custodian and collect the assessment tools, test booklets, OMRs, and background questionnaires. While collecting, check the UDISE Plus code and the school name on the packets being collected. You will come to know about the name and address of the DLC custodian through your NAS portal login, where you have to collect the survey materials. Your letter of appointment will mention the name and address of the sampled school that has been assigned to you. Observers must carefully note the location of the school and the distance and time involved from the DLC school to their assigned schools. This would ensure the timely conduct of NAS. Observers would report in accordance with the instructions provided by the DLC during a meeting called on the previous day of NAS. Next, you report to your assigned sample school and meet the school head and produce your letter of appointment. You would explain to him or her about the grade in which NAS is to be conducted. After this, report to a designated room where you keep all test materials and arrange the test booklets, OMRs, and questionnaires for distribution. Once this is done, you would collect the class register and section register and you will meet the field investigator and facilitate the student sampling process. Now, what is the student sampling process? It is the procedure by which you and the field investigator will select the students who will give NAS 2021 for a particular grade. A step-by-step guide on the sampling process has been covered in later modules. Upon sampling, you need to ensure that the test booklets are distributed correctly among the selected students and the field investigator properly reads out the instructions to the students. Ensure that the test booklets are distributed in accordance with the sequence mentioned in the control sheet as per the NAS ID. Once the survey has started, you are expected to visit each classroom to ensure invigilation is happening in a systematic manner. Once the survey is complete and all the OMRs are filled, the observer recollects all the materials, counts the number of test booklets and OMRs in presence of the field investigator, and carefully repack them. At the same time, you need to ensure that the school's questionnaires and teacher's questionnaire are duly filled by the school head and the teacher in charge for each subject tested, which means for say grade 3, the TQ will be filled by the language teacher, EVS teachers and math teacher. Finally, you need to update the field notes with necessary observations and take the packaged assessment material to the district level coordinator for submission. With this, all responsibilities of an observer will be successfully executed. Thank you for successfully completing the Roles and Responsibilities module for NAS observers.